I'm CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are preparing for June 2022 attempt. I'm here to tell you that I host free live classes daily on unacademy at 7 p.m. related to company law and GIGL. And recently I hosted the classes on tips and tricks on how to make short notes for GIGL and company law, and on the request of students in the special class as well as on request of the subscribers from the comment section. I have extended tips and tricks for making your own short notes for other subjects as well. So I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 11th and 12th January sharp at 7 p.m. Today I will tell you tips and tricks on how you can make your own effective short notes for the subject of SBEC, that is setting up of business entities and closure. So I will be telling you how you can formulate your own short notes for SBEC, and tomorrow, that is on 12th January, I will tell you how you can make your own effective short notes for tax laws. Yes, both the classes will be hosted at 7 p.m. दोनों ही classes के class links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on it and click notify me. As I always say, that short notes are very important for clearing your exams, and of course you can even score exemptions if you have your own short notes. Reviews for the earlier sessions were good, that is why I plan to extend the sessions. I hope you join the classes. The classes are totally free, of course. You can just unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Other than that, unacademy is running the Conquer Yesh's batch, which is the batch especially for the students who are comfortable with only English language. It is 100% English batch, and another batch which is called a Shikhar batch. दोनों ही batches के subscription links भी आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. You can go and directly click on the link and get subscription from unacademy, and do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount as well. So looking forward for all of you to joining my classes today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Bye.